Hello, and welcome back to FinMatrix Insider. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's gaining significant traction in economic discourse, Universal Basic Income, or UBI. We'll be exploring the fascinating and often complex economic feedback loops that arise when a guaranteed income is introduced. At its core, UBI proposes a regular, unconditional cash payment to every citizen, serving as a financial safety net to alleviate poverty and boost economic activity. However, the economic impact of UBI goes far beyond simply handing out money. It triggers a complex web of feedback loops, each influencing the others. Let's start with the potential positive feedback loops, the engines that proponents hope will drive economic growth and societal well-being. First, increased consumer spending. More disposable income leads to a surge in spending on necessities and goods, injecting capital directly into the economy. This increased demand fuels business expansion, leading to increased production and, crucially, the creation of new jobs across various sectors, creating a positive feedback cycle. UBI can free individuals from financial stress, allowing them to pursue education or training, leading to a more skilled and productive workforce and better health outcomes. However, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential negative feedback loops that could arise, posing significant challenges to the successful implementation of UBI. First, inflation. If demand increases faster than the supply of goods and services, prices will rise. Runaway inflation can erode the purchasing power of the UBI itself, defeating its poverty-alleviating purpose. Critics argue that UBI could disincentivize work, especially in lower-paying jobs. This potentially leads to labor shortages, impacting productivity and overall economic output. Implementing UBI is expensive. Funding it requires significant tax increases or increased borrowing, which could lead to greater government debt and fiscal instability. The specific feedback loops and their overall impact depend heavily on the design of the UBI program. Factors like the payment level, the funding mechanism, whether through taxes or cuts to existing programs, and the current economic conditions, all play a crucial role. UBI is often overlooked for its potential to empower entrepreneurship, providing a financial safety net for individuals to take risks and pursue innovative ideas. Real-world pilot programs provide valuable insights, but we are still in the early stages of understanding the long-term, sustained economic impact of UBI. To recap, UBI presents a complex interplay of economic feedback loops with potential benefits and significant risks. The positive feedback loops offer exciting potential for economic stimulus, but the negative loops demand thoughtful consideration and proactive planning. The success of UBI hinges on careful program design, effective implementation, and the ability to adapt the strategies based on real-world data and feedback. It's essential that we approach this complex issue with a critical and analytical mindset, understanding the economic feedback loops at play to shape informed policies about our future economy.